uh, map reference to DP. So if I can send in DP here, I don't need. Okay. I'm just used to using JK so much because I kind of made my escape into JK simultaneously in my new game, so I just type a lot of JKs. Okay, so let us see. I bought the catching mechanism here. Like, where do I put the catch so that I don't reiterate the sub problem again and again? Repeat of count ID. So if the current index is already there in DP, then return DP of I. I would preferably tell every single guy in my team to use Vim, but they hate Vim. And just fun fact, I will show you my NeoVim config. More fun to see someone else's NeoVim config. And if you have your NeoVim config, just share it down to me. I really enjoy doing it. This is something which I'm recently started working on. Where am I? This is something I started writing recently. This is my very own LSP. If you go to README, like if you can see here, starting getting into the line and printable. Once I get into my thing, if I see Lua LSP, or if I just say TypeScript, the auto suggestion works, but it's pretty slow right now. And if you go here, if you go to my methods, text completion, I kind of hard coded everything here, but I hope in future I can just solve that part out. And fun fact, if you like Vim motions, you should try out NeoVim. If you try out NeoVim, definitely try out Harpoon. Harpoon is this thing. If you see, I can just mark this file with Shift A. My undo tree is fucking up again. And fun fact, if you can use undo tree too. Got so many suggestions, but let's get back to the problem. Lately bugging me lately, how much resources do LSP take up? Not quite. I don't think LSPs are that heavy. If you're using them in VS Code, they are kind of heavy. But if you're using it in NeoVim, I don't think so. I don't think so they're heavy, because I can vouchfully say that my Vim config is butter smooth. If I just do this, I can go anywhere and the suggestions works like pretty fine. If I just do, see the speed. Yeah, in NVim it's really good. It's really good. Like LSP, top notch quality. I would preferably use NeoVim any given time, because I mean I just use NeoVim every single time, every single day, and it's my routine right now. But yeah, NeoVim it is. Yeah, let's get back to the problem and let's see what is very wrong with this thing now. Okay, so I cache this thing and I say if s of I is like, okay, s of 0 and return 0, and I don't think the writer doesn't think this is needed, but if I just run it, will it work? Nah. Oh, sorry, my bad. I should have passed in DP here. Nope, fucked up again. And where did I screw up right now? Oh, yeah. Oh, one more place. Sorry. Awesome. Yeah, supposed to return DP of I. Correct. Should catch the values too. Oh, where did I fuck up right now? Okay. So just see if s of I is 0, return 0, and if s of I the DFS int DP. Okay, I'm taking the result out here, calling a recursive call. If that's not the case, I'll just check a if condition saying that if I less than h dot size. Okay, what is wrong with this thing now? Mm, hmm, that's weird. The change is too drastic to see. Hmm, what did I miss out? I thought it was supposed to be a simple cache thing which I barely need to look at. After I started looking at this thing, this is not good. This is not at all good. Where do I do the wrong? Where do I do the wrong? Uh, let's see what this guy wants. I check the value. Okay, I suck at typing right now. Nice. That part is done. And now the guy wants to say if x of I equal to 0, the given char is equal to 0, then return 0. Simple. I'll just say x of I equal to 0. Now and if the above operation is 0, so I need to go one step forward. So to go one step forward, I'll get s equals to dfx of x comma I plus 1 dp. Nice. If I plus 1 less than l dot size, I'm checking the constraints here. If the current next current I plus 1 is not going out of bound, then I'll check if the current I cap is equal to 1, okay, or it's equal to 2. If it's equal to 2, I want the next character of I plus 1 be less than 7. Okay, that makes sense. That makes all the sense in the world, but am I making all the sense in the world? That part I fucked up. That part I seriously fucked up, sir. And cheers for me kindly getting fucked, but why not? Wait, Sham, you're my follower? Sure, dude, not sure. For a long time. Okay. Hope I'm streaming to the better quality. The stream quality. Alright. So 1080p. Nice, baby. Nice. Easily get distracted by people, but not today. Not today. Not today. Not today. Yeah. Let's see the fuckery here. Let's say if that's the case, I just say so if I equal to 1, it's equal to 1, then it's fine. Or it's not, I just want to say so if I plus of 5 will equal to 2. I should have an upper cap saying that it should be less than 27 characters and 26 characters. Plus of 5 plus 1. Do I apply the stapler? Come on, mate. You could have asked a better thing to do, but I guess vertically, I like the aesthetics of vertically thing. I like things that are aligned. So I keep all my things in one particular place so that I don't need to move it again. And I like them in a proper, highly aesthetic manner. Vertical. Go for vertical. I don't know why I'm suggesting that, but yes. Kindly get through if you're not. Now we're gonna do vertical right now. Okay, let's just see. And when is the apply date, by the way? This plus equals to, okay, I'm concatenating something here. DSS is I plus 2 comma DP. Okay, that is fucked up. I gotta look at few alternate solutions to kind of make sense out of it. But let's see, it works. Not sure, sir. Quite frankly, I'm not that smart. But yeah, what? Wait. Do I apply the stapler diagonally or vertically? I said apply. Do whatever you want. I mean, my opinion doesn't matter. But for the faculty fact, but what is wrong now? Cannot convert. Why can't you convert now? Oh, did I just move the things upside down or something? Oh, okay. Okay, where is this right now? Yes. DP, here. Oh, even then I fucked up. Nice, good management, sir. Okay, let's see where I screwed up right now. I'll take out this abundant amount of comments so that I can just look at my code decently. Okay. If there is, if db.count.i, just okay, if s of I equals 0, then return 0 and move the thing one bit. Yeah, and all the best with your competition. I mean, hope you do well. Hope you do awesomely well. Sounds gay, right? Yep, definitely sounds gay. Brother, where am I screwing up? Yeah, I'm not good at the motivation stuff, so I mean, luck is luck, and I truly believe opportunity plus preparation equals to luck. And if you have the opportunity and you are prepared well enough, I guess you should make it far better in your life. Recently, I screwed up my Amazon interview, so cheers, because my preparation was weak, so I'm grinding lead code right now. Okay, I bombed my Amazon interview. Good thing. Which part of the world that I screwed up is biting my ass right now? So, wait. Ah, dp.s size okay one. I mean, I gave the interview unprepared, so I should honestly fail the interview, because if I don't, then what is the worth people putting in time on these things, grinding day, right, left, center. So I mean, I just believe like you have the talent, and if you have enough hard work backing the talent, then you're supposed to win something in life. I don't like free stuff, mate. I don't like free stuff. So, okay, let's just see. When I'll take this goddamn solution and try to understand it better. But mhm. So let's just go to our one note once. In hate lead quotes, when whatever the fuck. Insert text. I can. Ah, baby. Hmm. Eh, delete. So let's see what I'm trying to do and try to understand it better. Let's take an example. This case. I'll take a better one. Yeah, I'll take all this. Like let's just set 12. And okay, I'm taking a DFS thing and I'm passing in a string, and along with the first index as 0, and the future thing, what is it? DP array. DP is nothing but unordered map of int and int, okay, I and I, where the last element DP, I never declared the size of DP, but DP of S of P of last uh, T, which is supposed to be somewhat of this character, null character, is equals to 1. I don't know why, but let's see. So DP of, what is the size? 0 and 1. But if you take size, literally 2 is 1. That's what I have right now. So let's just go into this thing and see what am I doing. If DP DP has this character which is 0, then return it. But in this case, no. And then what I do? If s of I equals to 0, if the current character equal to 0, then return 0. Return 0. Nice. And if it's not the case too, and if then okay, if both these cases never touched the ground, so I'm supposed to take a variable called res and feed in DFS s of s comma I plus 1 plus dp. Okay, I'm just saying result equals to DFS of s and one character forward, which is I plus 1, and dp, which is now, I mean, it's not sorted yet, so it will be like 1 comma 2. So 1 is done. Now 2 is the thing that I'm dealing right now. A clutter. Okay, comma 2. 1 is still in the stack, which is say main. Okay, I have 1 here, f of 1. I should now calculate for 2. So if dp of 2 exists, which in this case no, and it will check if d sorry, if it will check s of I equals to 0. In this case, no. And it will go check enter s equals to, I mean, I plus 1. In this case, here. which will call back to 2. So 2 will go here, this part of the function. If I plus 1 less than size. So what is I plus 1 right now? I'll do some console log and check what is the correct character that will go after. Okay. What is the character that will walk out of here first? Okay, that's a pain in the ass. So now paint. This should be it. Nah. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Let's do I I paint. What? I'm not printing. Okay, now I'm screwing up. So okay, that sucks. What is wrong with this thing now? Ow. Okay, there are a lot of places where I'm dumb at, but just yeah, I'm supposed to get 2 here. That's I. It's a string. Man. It should work. Let's see. Should work, should work, should work, should work. Yeah. Rama. So it's if I saw if I can see that, why can't I see out SFI? Okay, what's wrong with OBS right now? Let's go check OBS. Sir, are you working fine? OBS is screwed up for a bit. Okay. Something is totally wrong. Okay. I can see my stream, but 8000 kbps 30 minutes down the line. I did nothing but bullshit, but am I looking good the screen? Yep. Screen sucks, I suck too, but hey, don't don't care, sir. We don't care, sir. We like to do bullshit. Yep. So let's just say. Hmm. Okay. Two. I come out of two. Where is the next character? Yeah, I just get two here. And after I get two here, I'll just say 5 plus 1, which is which I plus 1 am I talking about? Let's see. Okay, I get 2. After 2, I get okay, and the number of decoded strings, right? Mm-hmm. From here to here, the processing happens. So the amount of type DP of I is there. I'm returning DP of I. Can just say int answer equals to DP of I. Okay, that will be the return type. This should be the answer I can return. Answer here. I can just check for auto I in DP out I dot first pointing to second. If I do this, I will just get the output of my DP. Okay, thuckity fuck. But wait, let me remove this thing. This is disturbing me. Okay, now let's see. I dot first is like 0. I don't quite grasp the weight of this problem yet. So just I'm taking another map and just doing with this thing. It will return me all the possible characters, possible ways I can. I mean, what is the first approach? Like if it's 0, I plus 1. It's not 0 if it's 1, or if it's 2, if it should be less than 7. So because there are only 26 characters, then it's fine. And I say like result plus equals to DFS of I plus 2. Since I'm considering both characters, and if it's 1, it can be either 2 or 0. It can be any character to line. So it can be between 1 to 19, and this can be between 20 to 26. Okay, that makes sense. So I'm trying to automate basically nothing here, because I'm just telling it if it's this thing it will be this, and if it's not, I just want to check if why do I check I plus 1, I less than f dot size. I This is kind of confusing me. Why am I doing that? Pragmatically speaking, that is utter bullshit, but why not? Why not? Pragmatic. Pragm. Pragmatic meaning dealing with the thing sensible, realistic, in a way that is based on practical rather than theoretical consideration. Nice. I don't know how that word came in my mouth, but I recently heard about a book. Buku. I seriously don't have a good English Indian accent. My accent will sell me. But yeah. Mm-hmm. Baby, I just need time. I speak good Hindi. God forbid me not to sing. But ooh. So this is my new stream that I'm talking to. 6 minutes. It's been half an hour since I started recording. You fucking pain in the ass. No, 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 no. There is a recording. There is good. There is good in this. There is good. There is good greed life. I mean, why not? Video is buffering. The low latency toggle under the advanced menu settings. My video buffering. Why, ma? I paid for good connections, or you are doing cheap connection. I know good. Pisses me off. I just say. So, shui. So I'm using the DP as my mask here. If I have I with me, so I can just compute it. Just I have somewhere around what is the substrate that I'm trying to create? It's 12. Will be somewhat of this. It's 12. It's only 12. Will be the divisions are like somewhat like this. I can just say I can choose one, not choose one, and I can choose two. I cannot choose two, and here I can choose two. So the outcome is like 1, 2, and 2. Those are the subsets possible. Okay. And I'm trying to do absolutely nothing here, nothing here. And since this is the problem that I'm recomputing again and again, I'm completely avoiding it. Okay, by using a cache system. So I'm saying every time I walk in, this is the character. I have my cache setup. This already exists inside the table cache. Then don't recompute the subproblem. That makes no sense. Let you see. Okay. What is bottom up approach for this thing? I'm seriously not a fan of bottom up approach, but if they're doing it, why not? Who am I to question? That's it. P E to the B to the B to the A. Definitely cutting out failing my Amazon interview part out of this thing. It's a bummer, but I just said it out loud, which I shouldn't have. Okay, let's solve this problem and get going with this thing. I don't know why I do this, but I like doing it. Doesn't so DP of counter 5. Counter 5, that means the index is where I'm keeping the result. So if I'm crossing here, that means I have a result that I am. Actually, okay, nice. So let's just comment this part out and try to see out DP of I, all the places that I cast something. Whenever I cast something, I want to look at it. So for 1, I cached it. For 2, I cached it. What did I cache? Let's just say DP. Oh, how did I do that? At this place, I cached this. 3. At 23, I did not cache shit. At 1, I cached 1. At 0, I cached 2. At 0, I cached 2. Okay, that's a where did I say it's equal to 1? Ah, size. There was supposed to be something like that. See out PP of size. 1. Awesome. Actually, that's my doubt. Pin. Submit. 2, 3. Okay. And now let's just go for the bottom up approach, which I really hate. So what is this guy doing? Space optimization. I don't want to do space optimization, but unnecessary optimization, dudes. You have space, use it. Fuck's sake. Okay. My frame rates are dropping like if I'm pumping. Right, if I now. Yeah. So that's one piece of shit which I'm dealing with right now. Let's see. Bottom up approach. Bottom up approach it is. Let's see. Let's start from the start. Restart. And I might have to do this again. Sniper 3. Yeah, I don't want to sing that song here, so I'm not trying to get cancelled. Okay, abolishment. Let's just say we'll go through this thing again in bottom up approach. Bottom up approach. So I'll just say describe the problem that I have and try to find solutions as till now and try to convert it into an iterable solution. Right. So observation. The chars are capital, and after that I will just say the only thing that I noticed till now say that it's a valid code, right? So I can see if the current char is 0, then move forward. The current char is 1, then next and B 0 to 9. Let it be without any condition. Wow, the amount of typos that I'm making today. Why am I doing this? That's not the case. Not the case. Uh, it's 2. Then we have to cap it at 6. That would be my basic thing that I got from this thing. But if I go to bottom up approach, that is a whole different way to solve this. Vector dp of I dot size plus 1 dp of I dot size to 1. Okay, instead of map I'm using pretty decent for I equals to I dot size minus 1 greater than equal to 0 I minus 1. If I equal to 0, dp of I equal 0. Okay, why? Sorry. Else if dp of I equals to dp of I plus 1, dp of I equals to dp of I plus 1. Okay, I know the condition. I'm trying to do the entire thing again. Quite frankly, I'm trying to piece this thing together in one place so that I can understand it properly. But damn fucking thing. Oh, my laptop started to burn. Bad. Good. I'm using it into the peak. Then it's I plus 1 less than s dot size and s of I equals to 1 or s of I is equals to 2 like the previous problem, and s of I'm capping it s of I plus 1 less than 7. Then I'll say dp of I is dp of plus equals to dp of I plus 2. I'm storing the number of ways. Oh, since it's a top or down thing, I can just store it. Bottom up approach, right? Right, let's go up now. Ah, maybe. Sweetie, sweetie lady, moving in the motion. Okay, which part? Which part is painful for me right now? Where did I screw up? Is dot size minus 1 I greater than equal to 0 I minus 1 if so y equals to 0, then dp of I is 0, else dp of I equals dp. Sorry. Not a relational thing there. Not a relational thing. No. I'm just hopefully understanding this. Not the exact way that I wanted to understand it, but yeah. Okay, let's see. That's a good way to solve it. I don't think so, but why not? There's one more approach which I can go through, but I'm not interested in that thing as of now, space optimization one. Because I can use two variables to do the thing because I see here. I just need to say maintain the state throughout this thing. I'm not looking to go that deep as of now. If I feel like I can understand everything, I can get a little bit deep into the topic, but right now, no. Okay, let's just see. You're given an integer of coins representing the coins of different denomination, example $1, $5, etc., and an integer amount representing a target amount of money. Okay, returns you a fewest number of coins that you need to make up the exact target amount. It's impossible to make up the amount written minus one. Imagine that you have unlimited number of each one. Good. Only 8,000 kbps be cheap or low. God forbid me. Okay, so just say we have vector of points and amount some value. Age of is to okay, and fewer number of coins that you may need to make up the exact target amount. Many number of coins to make that amount. Okay, so I can't go beyond or under, but I can just say minimum amount, and I have 1, 5, 10, and amount is 12. Let's just say, let's go to next 1, 5, 10. The amount to be created is 12. So let's just take subsets. Let's just include 1 and not include 1. Okay. Let's just include 5 and not include 5. 5 will be the starting point here and not include 10. 5. Let's just include 10, not include 10. Yeah. And this will be like include 10, not include 10. And yeah, this will have 10 thing. So if I sum this thing up, I think I'm doing it the wrong way. Since I can reuse these things, okay, it will be like the minimum number of points like 10, 1, and 1. I don't see a subtree forming in this form here. So is this one of those problems where it's like not recursively solvable? If I take the highest one, I might be wrong. How do I solve it? Did it, sir? 1, 5, 10 again, and I'll take, well, that's my target amount that I should achieve, and minimum in this case, I'm not wrong, is 3, right? 3, yeah. Wait, it's impossible to make up the exact amount I return minus 1, so I have to check all the possibilities first. Like 1, not 1. Okay, I'll have this tree somewhat like this. Again, include 1, include 5. Okay, that kind of tree is not something that I'm familiar with. I have to compute all the possible things and find the minimum. Or is it somewhere different that I'm kind of like new to this thing? I don't think. I don't think. I don't think. You can call him to join a stream. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. That is something that I didn't know. Yeah, nice. Let's get back to the problem. Let's just try more. 5-10 minutes. So and also try to analyze the corner cases to coin 2 amount is 3, which is impossible. Coin 1 amount is 0, 0. So wait. Wait. This is the only case that I know that I will. Okay. I'll draw. Let me fucking erase. Oh, highlighter. Mr. Eraser. A sniper 300 megabytes of memory. I'll get seriously banned for this, but sorry. I like that song very much. Just see. Okay, why are those things so hard? How do I compute the recursive one? It's 1. It's not 1. It's 1 again. It's 5. It's 1. Or it's 10. Okay. The sum exceeds. If the sum greater than target, then that will be the bounding function if I'm not. So I'll just tell you 1 or 5. This 5 can be like 10, 5 or 10. Okay, now it's like 1. The bounding function will cut this thing out, and 5, 5, 10, and 11. We'll go one more. 5 will be like 10, and 5 and 10. This both will be cancelled out. And I have to calculate the distance too. Number of coins is like 3. This thing 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, like it's like 8 so far. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Like 5 or 10. Okay, now it's like 1, 5, and 10. So 10 bounding function and 5. Yeah, I was supposed to generate something like 5, 5, 1, and 1. So it is supposed to happen somewhere around here. It was supposed to be 5. Okay, somewhat of this link. That would make sense, but the computer is heavy. I don't know how to compute this. If I do a DFS, not sure. Uncharted territory. When it is not system, this problem. Well, let's just see the solution. Like try to understand what It's trying to make a recursion. Yeah. You just say DFS is nothing but amount equals to 0, return 0 is result equals to 1 e power 9 max value that I can set for into coin in coins. Okay, the amount minus coin greater than equal to 0. Okay, okay, that's how I should write recursive solution. Intermin coins equals to DFS of coins comma amount. Okay, return min coins greater than equal to, if min coins is greater than equal to 1 e power 9 minus 10 with min coins. Okay, let's write the question. How do I misspell so many times? Amount. Okay, amount equals to 0. Return 0. Interest equals to 1 e power 9. Okay. For coin amount minus coin greater than equal to 0. Then answer rest equals to min of rest comma min of result comma 1 plus dfs of coins comma amount minus coin. Amount minus coin. Okay. Okay. Where did I sell point again? Point. Coins. Fairly straight. Fairly straight and simple. I don't think it is that easy. Yeah. But why not? Okay, let's just try to optimize this thing now. It's 5 1 e power 9. Okay, that is the cap amount. Okay. Yeah, so I'm finding minimum, so it's comparatively similar to quite. Okay, wait. Yeah, what is mapper with maximum integer value similar to which is greater into max is either, okay, which both exceed 1 e power 9. Okay, that is a specific constraint I can't remember, sorry. I'm trying to complete all the coins and I'm selling. Okay, how do I add cash here then? I'll just have to figure out if the amount taken if if, if DP of amount in the return P of nah, it will not be DP of amount, it will be DP of count if I'm not wrong. See? It will be DP of amount itself. Fucking hell. Okay. If just okay, result equals to no selection amount is not a comma int dash is more appropriate for me. Amount it takes to calculate this particular and the number of coins it will take to calculate for this particular amount. I know that we calculate it. Like it will be like cash dot find amount not equals to cash dot end. If that's not the case, I'll just say if amount equals to 0, we return 0. And I'll just say int max work. Max rocks, dude, max rock. If int result equals to DFS of amount minus coins minus coins. Result equals to it equals to DFS of coins amount minus coin. What will I do with that? Will not equal not equal to the peak value. Minimum offer is +1 plus. Why am I doing the same computer typing then? I'm currently checking if it's matching out or not. We just have to say that cash equals to that should work. Okay, this is supposed to work fine. Why will DFS cross the limit? Not sure. What is this supposed to be? Ooh. 3G. Unstable bitrate. Yep. Fancy. Okay. Am I inspecting myself right now? Ate wonderful vision, ma. What a wonderful vision. Okay. So this DFS is going out of town. I think let's check. Uh, if not, if not. Okay. Why is it going outside? Just do this 1E, 1E. Okay, that should work. That should work. That should fucking work. I know. Be smarter. I don't want to be smarter, ma. मैंने पूछा चांद से इसके जैसे फिसल की इसका अम्मा की कसम whisper ready for